People, what it is, your boy Landon. I am the man, though. We back with another one. Hotel Chronicles, right? It's been a while since I dropped the Hotel Chronicles, and you know, just been working, man. I still been dropping video, but the Hotel Chronicles, I had kind of, I ain't gonna say step away from it, but I've just been shooting other content also, but we gonna bring it back, you know? It was highly demanded, so we gonna bring back the Hotel Chronicles. Shoot, it might be Truck Chronicles soon. Stay tuned. But today what we got on the menu is, of course, we got some salmon. You know, I don't eat meat. So I got some salmon, I got mixed vegetable. No carb. I'm trying to get right, man. And matter of fact, I should change my name to Curry Boss. I love curry. We got some curry. We definitely gonna use some Jamaican curry powder, Blue Mountain curry powder. We're gonna curry everything. I don't even know how I'm gonna do the salmon. I might just do something crazy. I might just fry it in curry seasoning. I don't care. It's gonna be good regardless, you know, cause I'm cooking it. But that's what it is, y'all. We cooking it up today. Let's go. All right, y'all, let's get going. First thing first, we gotta get the salmon right. My Jamaican, you know anything about it. So I'm in a hotel, right? One thing about Jamaican yard, man, we clean with food. So I gotta clean the fish, but we usually clean it with lemon or vinegar, right? Don't have that. Hold on, this I think too long. Come on. Don't have that. So how you gonna clean it, Lando? I understand this. Yeah. So we put it in that salt. I put it in here. I forgot. You're in America, boy. Hit it up with some salt and rinse it off with the salt. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. I'm not seasoning it right now. This is just to add some water to it, just to get everything off. That fish tastes all of that. Yeah, we ain't using no pipe water either. I'm the only one eating it, so got my water right here. That's how we rinse it off. Yeah. You know what I mean? Here with the salt. We got more than enough water. Worst case scenario, we're gonna hit it with pipe water. Okay? We gotta go rinse it off. Just to get that taste, that smell, that taste. You gotta clean your food, man. As a Caribbean person, we clean our food. You know? So, guys, we say Hotel Chronicles, right? We don't have everything that we need, so we gotta get creative. I feel like I wanna cut this up small. This is a big piece. I got the plastic butter bag. I don't know how good it's gonna cut it. Don't judge me. We ran into a little problem. They ain't scared of fish. That's cool. I ain't about to go through all that now. I'm just gonna take the skin off. I see Chef Keegan do it right here. That's how I'm doing it. I go watch Chef Keegan channel, man. You gotta get creative, man. Stop playing with me, man. Hotel Chronicles. Stop playing with me. Alright. Look at that. Pull that skin off. Come on now, stop playing with me. I'm gonna cut it up smaller though. I wanna fry it up a little bit. So I cut it up like that. That's the best I can get out of it. Got a little cayenne pepper. Don't judge me. This is just how I cook my little curry. Some paprika. I cook different than if I was home, I probably have more ingredients. And of course, fish seed. I got curry on there. I hit it with some of the Maggi seasoning, little cayenne, paprika, you know. We about to go to work, y'all. Watch this. Time to get this bad boy going, y'all. Plug it in right here. Yeah, we plug it in over here. Bring this closer. Sure. See, we got the light on. Trying to work, y'all. Some light right there. Ain't nothing going on in there yet. Ain't nothing going on in there yet. But I got my oil ready. Y'all. Here with some grapeseed oil. That thing's smoking. Get into curry. Now bury the curry first. Either way, they don't bury the curry in, but you know that way they put the curry in there and drop the fish on there. Just like that. Y'all can see you burning the curry, y'all. You know I can put a little bit more in there. Don't burn the curry. All my island folks know what's going on. Simple as this. Yeah, you should. I thought that thing would go back. Get that. Put some more oil in there. That's how we doing it though. Coming along, y'all. Coming along. Here's a few pieces that's done, y'all. Guys, a couple more pieces left. I ain't gonna lie. I've been tasting. Curry salmon. Not curry salmon, curry fried salmon. Whatever you wanna call it. So, this is what's gonna happen. The same bowl that we cooked the, that we seasoned up the curry fish in. We're gonna put the vegetable in there. Yeah. This thing's smoking, huh? Turn it over. Let's get in. So bad. They're all going to the same place. I don't need too much. You know, we about to curry that up. Yeah, what we just did, we just seasoned it up with a little bit of curry, cayenne pepper, and cayenne pepper. If you're cooking curry, you know it gotta be spicy. You know, with a little bit of paprika. And we about to do it just like how we did the fish, same way. It's vegetables, you can eat it right now. We're just trying to heat it up, really. We're gonna cook it down a little bit, you know. The oil is already hot. Well, I made a mess. Don't judge. So people, as the vegetable cooked down, what I might do is I might steam it down a little bit. You know, you put the cover of the pot on top of it, it's gonna steam like make its own juice anyway. You ain't gotta add no water to it. A lot of people gonna say add water to it. I ain't got to. Real chefs know what's going on. Or I might just do it just like that. Let it do its do. But I can eat it right now if I want to. You know? Just like that. Yes, sir. Thing hitting, boy. Let's get to the vegetable. Okay. Yeah, I can eat straight vegetable. Hold on now. I think the cayenne pepper got away with the vegetable. It gets flavor is great though, but it's a spice kicking at the end. I don't know. I like it though. Tell y'all something. If you're doing curry, it gotta be spicy. The right pepper to have is Scotch bonnet, but I ain't had no Scotch bonnet, so I had to deal with that. You know? I love it. And we're gonna start dropping these food videos again, y'all. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. You know the whole nine. You know what to do. Curry salmon, fried salmon. Yep. Instead of cooking down, I just fried it. Food bye.